Well, we have here a little Bing steam engine, probably from the late 1920s. It's built only for 3 months. I acquired it from a Landkreis Auktionshaus. It's a trader for old tinplate and steam engines, toys. It's a Bing, which the main engine was used by another type of steam engine, but it is a vertical boiler, and this is a horizontal boiler. And remarkable is that on these Bing engines the flywheel is not broken through, so it's a massive one in original. And yeah, it's repainted, obviously. The ground plate is repainted, also some other things like the flywheel. It's not the original color, but it's quite good made, and the rest is in very good shape. So if you look around, it's really nice. It has no regulator, so it steams up without regulation. It has a spiritus 2-wick burner, mass burner, and we will have to wait a little bit more to get it running. So it runs in 2 directions, forward and reverse, and it sounds quite nice for a little machine. Well, looks like we have now enough steam to get it running. So let's see. Has still water inside. Well, yeah, now it should go. It's really a smooth runner. I like it very much.